Hey everyone, welcome back to another Magic Minute. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a student room that's going to help students prepare for the California State Testing or CASP test. So the first thing you're going to do is go to MagicSchool AI and you're going to go down to Launch to Students. Next I'm going to go to Launch a New Room. Here I'm going to give this room a specific name so I remember what it was for. Now here I'm going to actually set up this room and give students access to certain AI tools I think will help them prepare for the test. So here I decided to give the students the StudyBot tool, the Study Habits tool, and the Writing Feedback tool. Next, we're going to customize these. Now you can go through and customize each of these tools to make them specific to the CASP test, but what I'm going to do is just customize the writing feedback tool since I think it's the most involved. So I'm going to click on customize. So here you can see I've named the tool the CASP writing feedback tool. I'm going to select the grade level. I'm going to hide this field over here so that way students don't see that. I've described the assignment as an argumentative performance task writing. I'm going to leave that available to students if they need to describe a different type of writing that they're doing. Then type of feedback. Here I wrote, I want you to give feedback based on the rubric provided for the CASP ELA test. Please give them an estimated score based on the rubric of either 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then any additional instructions for the kind of feedback, what I've done here is I've actually uploaded the rubric itself. And here I can actually test this out, but I'm going to assume that everything works great. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on the student end. And once you're done, you'll just hit Launch Room. And then you'll be able to give your students access to this student room by just giving them a URL code or putting it into Google Classroom. So on the student end, they'll just see a place to put their first name. So I'm going to put Andrew. And here you can see those 3 tools that I've given them access to. So if I go to that writing feedback tool, you can see I only have the fields that I left available for the students. So here I can actually put in an example piece of writing. So as you can see, the AI is giving areas for strength, areas for growth, general writing mechanics, and then it actually gave a score based on the rubric as well. It said that they would have scored a 3 out of 4 and told some reasons why. If you'd like to use this room that we've set up here in the video, just look in the description and you'll find the link. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and thanks for watching.